are here today at the Splish Splash car wash in St. Louis, South City. Now, I filmed the tunnel wash here about a year ago, but interestingly, they actually put in an automatic in-bay wash. You got two options now for an automatic car wash. And you can see this is the bay right here. And look at that. It's a very interesting machine that we've got here. So, let's see what kind of job he does. Ooh, that's a big bump. Alright, I think that's about the sweet spot right there. Alright, looks like we're starting out with a coating of pre-soak here. Pretty generous. I was going to leave the car off, but it's just too hot here without the AC running. I don't know, the machine's hitting the car a little back there. That's kind of sloppy. Coming around the side here with our pre-soak. Alright, looks like we're going to switch to the next cycle now. Machine's getting a little tangled up. Oh, so this one has a soft touch cycle on it. Very thorough. Our machine's getting a little tangled up again. Alright, let's see what the next cycle is here. Ooh, it sounds like it might be high pressure wash, maybe. Yeah, look at that. It's a nice coating again. It's not quite getting that bird poop off, or the bugs, whatever it is there. Looks like our machine is hurrying up now. Must be running out of time. I think this is our high pressure rinse. I don't know, this rinse cycle doesn't seem very thorough to me. No spot-free rinse. Now let's get out and evaluate this. No spot-free rinse?
That was a clear coat protectant.
Oh, without spot-free, you're gonna have spots. Oh wow, this thing's really falling apart, isn't it?
Your car pretty watertight?
Yeah. There's still a lot of bugs on the windshield, though.
Are y'all criticizing my job?
Oh yeah.
Let's see how good this. You review the car wash. You see how good.
I don't know about this. I don't think this was a very good value here. See all this dirt?
I spent like I don't know how much.
We might have to take this one to the automatic.
All right. Was that a good video?
Oh yeah, that was a good video. Fun time, either way. Thank you.
Uh-huh.